Hi Libra, it's time for your daily love reading. Um, yeah, let's see what the cards got for you today. Libra, you probably don't know. I don't think I've been told you this. I'm at the same time psychic, clairvoyant, so I get messages that I don't see in the cards, and that is also why this reading sometimes is pointing on maybe just a few of you that is watching. Yeah. I sometimes get things about the cards that makes it a little bit more personal, maybe. But welcome to my channel, and I hope you will help me make this channel grow by subscribe and like. I'm really happy that I already got subscribers, and I'm really happy. Oi, I lost the card. And I'm really happy that you're coming back and watching these videos. It means a lot to me, really a lot. But let's get into your reading and see what it's about in your love life today. And I got this strength card. It's coming out again and again and again. So I'm just going to give it to you now. I love this card. I really do love this card. Isn't he beautiful? I think he is. It's like when I think of the lion, I think of the Lion King. You know, the lion on the that is the Lion King. He is the top of the world. No one can hurt me. No one can decide over me. I am me, and I'm proud of being me. And I got the strength to be me, and I got the strength to just lie here and watch you if that's what I want. And you can do nothing, nothing at all to change that. I just love that card. And at the same time, he's not, the Lion King is not even though that he has a lot of self-respect, and even though he is saying that you can do anything about it, it's not because that he is putting up a fight, and it's not because he is egoistic or something like that. No, it's just him. Take me as I am. That's what he's saying. He respects himself, and he respects who he is, what he feels, and what when he says something, he means it. So let's get more about Libra. This lion is defensive at the moment. Let's see why. Okay. There's some good ideas, there's some good energy in this. And there's someone you're watching over. And there is something you got a vision. There's something you want to have in your life that you're investing in. There's something you're planting some seeds here. But you are quite stuck at the moment. I got a cat on the chair, and he was just looking over the table like, what are you doing? But you are indecision, and that's because you have something in your life that is not going as you want at the moment. I want to hear more about the justice, please. Tell me more about the justice. Okay. It's something you just should leave. And there's something that... It needs a break. Whatever you are fighting with, whatever this judgment is about, needs a break. It needs to... right now there's a lot of energy around it. It's like it's taking a lot of energy, and that's why everything is it's just stuck. Yeah, let's say the word stuck. So you're not getting anywhere. This is not in justice. Most of the time you have to give and you have to receive, but where you are at the moment, it's just going nowhere. So there's this that you can change your way to see at things. You can take a break and say, this is not something I'm going to discuss any longer. I'm having a vacation, and then we could talk about it again. Or you can just let it go. Surrender and say, you're right. That's it. I'm not going to discuss it any longer. Yeah. So let's see. I mean, this is really something, this is an ongoing battle. It has been going on for a while, and it's taking a lot of your energy. Tell me more about the Nine of Wands, please. Yeah. It really is taking a lot of your energy. You need to close this cycle. You need to get out of this chaotic things. Just, yeah. Tell me more about Libra and love, please. I know this is something that is that you are finding difficult to balance in your life in at the moment, and you find it chaotic actually, and at the same time, I don't know why, but I got it's a lack of energy. At the same time, I got the feeling that you just want to say, I'm going on a vacation. I'm not going to get into this any longer. I'm going to follow my impulse. And then, yeah. Why are you not telling the person you love everything? You are watching a person. You are having a person in your life that you are watching, and you got something here, some secrets, something they don't know, something you are afraid of telling them. I know there's going to be a victory here. So I don't know if this is where you are taking the last straw from this justice over here, and then you maybe, I thought you were maybe going for a vacation, but other persons could also taking action to this person that they have been looking for. But at the same time, there's some fears because you haven't been quite honest to this person. But it's freedom. It's like you are just breaking out, and then you say, I don't care because I love this person. I want to be with this person. And this is a victory for me. So about this justice, I don't care. I want to be egocentric now. I want to be independent. I want to have my own freedom. I want to do whatever I want, and I don't want to have secrets any longer. I don't want to look at the moon and wish how my life would be. I want to be the one that is together with this person that I truly, truly believe and truly, truly love. And that's your Emperor. Your Empress, sorry. Yeah. Your Empress is not happy. You're feeling you are rejecting her. Your Empress is feeling rejected. You need to listen to your higher self. You need to listen to your higher self, Libra. Go for a long walk. Yeah. I knew it. You see? Clarity. And what does it show in there? Nature. Yeah. Because what you are in right now in the justice is actually a toxic influence. It's not good for you. It's not good for the person you are. It's something I feel you are walking away from it. Yeah. You're not close to this person. This person is waiting for you. Your Empress is not close to you. That's for your wands. You're going to travel to this person. Or they are traveling to you. This is a person that is... This is karma, this is destiny. This is a turn of coin, this is good luck, this is celebration, wish fulfillment, this is success, this is... Yeah. Family. One of you is not single. One of you is alone with children or child. Single parent. That's the word. And I feel the justice has something to do with King of Coins, yeah. Home. Planning. But you do have two choices. That's right. You got the Tower. You have two choices. You have the two choices to hold on to the devil, the toxic influence. Or you can listen to your higher self and go to the forest, beach. Here I can see mountains with snow on. But yeah, you need to go out and listen to yourself, feel yourself, and that go out and get this victory and take a leap take a leap of faith, and because this is really something you want, and it's really taking all of your energy. This devil, I don't know if it's saying something, but either the one you love is an older woman, or this is justice has something to do with if you're a woman, a younger man, or the other way around. But there's something about, I don't think it's I think it's difficult because there's a lot of things in this that needs to get how do I say this? Libra, stand on your head and watch things from that perspective. Because at the moment you are stuck, at the moment you are in your hand and you're not feeling anything. So I would like you to stand on your head or go to nature, go into nature. And then just feel. And if you are a believer like myself, or is working with the spiritual world, or for some if they are believing in God, then ask them before you go, before you stand on their head, before you go out, ask them to guide you, ask them to tell you what is the right way for you to do right now, so that you can get a clear mind instead of just running around in the same. I feel you are in like kind of hamster wheel and just throwing. I'm sorry, I got a guy that I've been working with him a long time, many years, and he's really direct. And sometimes I know that this is not the best way to say things, but I have learned to say what he's telling me, and then he is saying that you're throwing a lot of shit out. It's like you're just having a lot of discussions, have a lot of you're too far from the epic. You're too far from getting a result because you're not going that way. You're just standing still and throwing words at each other. But it's not, no one is giving up. No one is saying, okay, that's what you feel, that's your meaning. I respect that, but listen, this is how I am. No one is saying that. No one is you're not the lion at the moment. Why did we have a lion here? You're turned away from your lion. You're turned away from this beautiful lion that was the one that was stable, the one that knew, the one that they knew they had the strength, the one that knew that this is going to be solved, but I just need to find myself. I need to be myself. I need to follow myself. I need to have the courage to do what I feel. The lion is not getting up if he don't want to get up. And if he's hungry, he's getting up and he's going to get something to eat. Often it's the females that's been killing for him. I mean, come on, you can do this. The reading for you is so beautiful. You just need to have some courage and to stand up for yourself and say enough is enough. And I know by the reading that though you are brokenhearted and though you are really missing this person, I also know that one day enough is enough and you're going to take the step and follow your heart. The question is just when. And that's only a question you can answer. So Libra, go out. Go out and find the seeds. Go out in the nature. Touch the nature. Just let it get close to you so that you can feel. Would you do that? I don't care if you hug a tree or you are going out to find chestnuts or it doesn't matter. Just go out there and feel the nature. It will give you a break and it will give you some clearings of where you are and where you want to be, and maybe also help you to take the step that you need to take. So, I wish you a good journey in the nature, and I hope that you will find the answer that you're seeking and looking for, and that I will see you again tomorrow. Take care. Bye.